Hello students, welcome to the lecture series of Statistics Basics. This is my fourth lecture. The first lecture we discussed about arithmetic mean. Second lecture we discussed about median. Third lecture we discussed about mode. Today we will see combined mean, median and mode. The question will come, sir, is it required to do all mean separate, median separate and mode separate all the columns? Absolutely no. You need to have all the three in one column only one. You can do all these things. Very simple. You know already the problem formula you know. Let us do this for individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So let's see first step is you need to write always the formula. We have individual series, arithmetic mean. What is the formula? Arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. That's it. What is median formula? Median formula is size of n plus 1 upon 2th item. What is mode formula? Mode is equal to most repeated item. That's it. So there is no column of anything. Only thing median we need to arrange the data into ascending order. Ascending order is important. Otherwise every problem is ready now. So let's do first mean. Mean x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. That is equal to 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7 upon 7. That is equal to 8 plus 5. The total is become 35. 35 upon 7 is equal to 5. Arithmetic mean is 5. What is median? Median is equal to size of n. See, second time you are writing formula. It will have do because you need to do what you are supposed to do. N plus 1 upon 2th item is equal to n is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 upon 2th item size of 2th item, that is equal to size of 8 upon 2th item is equal to 4th item. So 4th item you have to see. 4th item, you need to arrange the data. First you have to arrange the data. So first arrange the data into ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is 1, 4, 4. Okay, 1, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the fourth item? First item, second item, third item, fourth item is the answer is 5. So that is a median. Coming to mode. Mode is what? By inspection. By inspection we see mode. See the 4 repeated 2 times. All others are what? By inspection mode is equal to, by inspection mode is equal to 4. You have to write since it repeated maximum times. Maximum times. That is 2 times. So that's all about individual series. No problem will come. Just for understanding I written this. Since we are doing all the 3 methods, individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Actually the combined problem mostly will come in the continuous series, not even discrete series. But we'll do all. We'll do both. Okay. So let us do the discrete series. So discrete series, calculate the mean, median, mode for the following data. Again, this question also you cannot expect, but for understanding we are doing this. Let's do for mean, median and mode. X bar, you know the formula, sigma fx upon n. So, and median is you have to find out size of n plus, arrange the data into ascending order. We need to do the arranging the data in ascending order. Then you have to find out cumulative frequency maybe. Then find out the n plus 1 upon 2th item. Then third one is mode maximum frequency, that is. So let's do one by one. X bar. What is the formula? Sigma fx upon n. So the data you have to make it stand x and f. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Now frequency is 2, 1, 3, 9, 5, 2 and 3. So what the formula says, first of all let us make the column for this. Arithmetic mean के लिए you need a column called fx. So f is there, so fx column is required. Then this is over, n is required, so n is there already, n you can find out here. So n also, n is 5 plus 5, 10, 19, 22, 23, 25. Yeah, n is 25. So n is done. That means for arithmetic mean is solved by using fx, the total you will get is sigma fx, and n is there, arithmetic mean you can find out. We will write this value later. Let us do about the median. Median, what you need to do? You need to arrange the data into ascending order is already done. You need CF. You need CF. So you need to make a column of CF. This is for the sake of median. And what about mode? Mode ke liye nothing. Mode is already there by inspection. So no more column is required. Only column arithmetic mean, along with the arithmetic mean make one column for CF, that is to find out median. So simple. Yeah. So column is important. I am always in favor of this making dress. See, once you made the column, everything is, your skeleton is ready. Now you have to fill it. You don't want to think about what I am supposed to do, because formula, on the basis of formula I made all the columns. So this 50% of your problem is solved here. What students are committing mistake? They memorize this column also. They are not even comparing the columns with the help of the formula. They don't compare the formula. They remember these columns, then they forget steps. No, you don't want to remember this column. Of course you may remember, but the columns have to be made on the basis of the formula. Correct? So let's read one by one. Now fx. Why do you want fx? Because we need it for arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean fx. So 2 into 5, 10. 1 into 10, 10. 3 into 15, 45. 9 into 40, 180. 180. 5 into 25, 125. 2 into 30, 60. 3 into 35, 105. So this is fx. Now ask the formula. What do you need? You need sigma fx. So add it, because you want sum of fx. So you need to add it. So you need to add it. This is 1, 0, 5, 5, 10, 15, then 7, 9, 17, 21, 22, 23, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5. So 535. So sigma fx is equal to 535, sigma fx. So with this column, sigma fx we got and n also we got. So then we can solve this arithmetic mean. Let's do. Arithmetic mean is equal to sigma fx upon n, that is 535 upon 25. Whatever value you are getting, that is your value. See, let me calculate it and see. Arithmetic mean. Yeah, 535 let me add 535 divided by 25 is equal to 21.4. Arithmetic mean is over. Now let us find out median. Median is equal to formula size of n plus 1 upon 2th item. So for that you need to find out CF. So CF is what? FCF is 2 plus 1. CF F say 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 2 22, 22 plus 3 25. See, 25 has come properly. So size of n plus 1 upon 2th item, that is size of n is 25 plus 1 upon 2th item, that is size of 25 plus 1 26, 26 upon 2 13th item. So 13th item, where is 13th item? 13th item is, you have to see in the cumulative frequency, the 13th item is here in 15 and the corresponding value is 20. So that we have done already. So therefore median is equal to 20. Median is not 13, 13th item, median is 20. That is done. Now we will do for mode. Mode is equal to how much? You have to see only the 4. Mode 9 is that. 9 is the maximum frequency, right? Mode is equal to 20 again. Since it has maximum frequency, that is 9. So mean, median and mode for the discrete series is over. Simple. Now you need to do continuous series of this, correct? So this is what you. So let's do the continuous series now. So continuous series, calculate the mean, median and mode for the following data. It's a continuous series problem is there. Again write the formula first. Without formula you cannot go ahead. So first of all x bar is equal to sigma fm upon n. I told you this is a midpoint we have taken. So fx only it is, but you will have to take fm upon n, midpoint. So that what is median? Median is equal to median class first. Median class is size of n upon 2th item. Then median. Median is equal to L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into L2 minus L1. See my previous videos if you have difficulties. Of course, here you need cumulative frequency is required. Cumulative frequency is to be done. And what is mode? Mode is equal to the most repeated item. Most repeated item. And then we got, that is modal class. Then mode is equal to, see here median 2 steps. Mode also 2 steps. L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into L2 minus L1. So this is modal. So this formula, if it is ready with us, we can solve the problem very easily. Very easily. Let us do one. So but the data is now lying and you have to make it to wake up. Let's see. So I keep it xf, x and f, 0 to 10. X, f is 2, 1, 3, 9, 5, 2, 3. First step is you want arithmetic mean. One by one, what are the columns required? For arithmetic mean we read sigma fm upon n. So that is an m required. That is midpoint. Then you need fm. Then you need sigma fm, so total. So arithmetic mean columns are ready. Arithmetic mean columns are ready. Now for median what we need? We need CF. Nothing else. So we don't want any more columns. Only these are the columns. No need of any columns. All mean, median, mode, everything is here in this column. So you don't want to do median separate, mean separate and mode separate. For median, mode is already there. Mode is there is no column required. For median we need only CF to be added. And mean we have taken midpoint as well as the FM sigma. Let's see now. See, midpoint 0 and 10 midpoint. 0 plus 10 upon 2. 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So it is 5. Then here it is 15. See, 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65 midpoint. Now you need FM. F into M. F into M. 2 into 5, 10. 1 into 15, 15. 3 into 50, 25, 75. 9 into 35. 9 into 35, 270. 270, 315, 5 into 45, 225, 2 into 55, 110, 3 into 65, 195. So now it is available, this much is enough for arithmetic mean. I will add this, 10 plus 15, see this is, you want sigma FM. So sigma FM will be here. So let us make this column also ready. It's very important. N is there. What is N? N is equal to 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 10, 19, 22. Okay. 3, 6, 15, 20, 25. So N is equal to 25. N is 25. And here you have to add it. 10 plus 15, 25 plus 75 plus 315 plus 225 plus 110 plus 195 is equal to 945. This is sigma FM. So with this you can find out arithmetic mean. See, arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma FM upon n, that is 945 upon 25 divided by 25 is equal to 37.8. So arithmetic mean is over. We don't want to worry about arithmetic mean, it is already done. Right? Now we got our median. Median is equal to, median is the size of n upon 2th item, median class. So n upon 2th item. N upon 2th item is n is 25. So size of 25 upon 2th item, that is equal to size of 12.5th item. Now, what is 12.5th item? 12.5th item you have to see in the cumulative frequency. So you have not made the cumulative frequency only. So what is lying here? You have to see in the cumulative frequency. So you have not made the cumulative frequency, but column is made ready. See. So you have to see the column is lying here. You have to make the column because of formula. Right? Let us see, find out. Cumulative frequency is 3, 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. See, 25, 25, correct. Now 12.5th item means it coming here. This is up to 6, then 7 to 8, 15 will come over here. So this is the class, the corresponding median class. This is a median class. So this is a median class, that is equal to 30 to 40. But median is not 12.5, it is between 30 to 40. Now what is that median? Formula again. Formula is there. That's the formula. Therefore median is equal to L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into L2 minus L1. L2 minus L1. So here I will write the rest, top I will write. Yeah. So that means what? So let's write here. I think that you can see this. L1 is what again? L1 is, see, L1 is this L1, this is L2. L1 and L2. Or this is L1, this is L2. What is n upon 2? N upon 2 is this is n upon 2. What is CF? Cumulative frequency of the pre-median class. So cumulative frequency of the pre-median class, this is CF. This one is CF. Pre-median class, just remember, you may have confusion here. Cumulative frequency of the pre-median class, not the median class. So then F means frequency of the median class. Yeah, frequency of the median class frequency is what? 9. So this is F, frequency of the median class. This is frequency of the median class. So n upon 2 is 12.5. Cumulative frequency is there, is come, and frequency is 9, and 12.5 is the n upon 2. Then L2 is there, L2 is 30 and 40 and L1 is 30. All the values are there. You can apply the value now. You can apply the value. So L1 is equal to 30 plus n upon 2 is 12.5 minus CF is 6 upon frequency is 9 into L2 minus L1 is 10. So that is equal to I am writing here, that is 30 plus 12.5 minus 6 is equal to 6.5 upon 9 into 10. What is this 10? L2 minus L1, 40 minus 30. That is equal to 30 plus 6.5 can value. This value will become 6.5 divided by 9 into 10. That is equal to 7.22. So the value is 7.22. So the value is 37.22. Can this answer be right? Yes, it can be right, because the median is lying between 30 and 40. So median is done. Median is done. Now we have to find out mode. So let's do the mode now. See, mode, the formula is already given, already you have made a note of it. So what is mode? Mode is equal to mode is the most repeated or repeated value, repeated item, or maximum frequency. You tell me, what is a model class? So model class is equal to, model class is max frequency. You don't want these columns or mode. Mode only X and F is required. We don't want these columns actually. So model class 9, 30 to 40. Model class is the 30 to 40 only here also, because maximum frequency is there. Since it has maximum frequency. So now we need to find out mode. So that means mode is also lying between 30 and 40. What is mode? Mode formula is L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into L2 minus L1. This is separate. Is equal to, now you need to find out what is F1, F2 and F0. So I told you the modal value, this one, the mode F1 is nothing but F1 here, frequency, this is F0 and this is F2. See, whatever the model class frequency is F1, the previous frequency is F0, the next frequency is F2. So we got F1, F0, F2, L2 also we got 40 and L1 we got 30. This is 40 and 30. This is also 30. Everything is available now. Just apply the formula. So formula is L1. L1 is 30 plus bracket F1 is 9 minus F0 is 3 upon 2F1. 2 into 8, 9. That 2 into 9 minus F0 is 3 minus F2 is 5 into, here is into bracket L2 minus L1, 40 minus 30, 40 minus 30, so in bracket, then you add it is equal to 30 plus 9 minus 3, 3 upon 2 into 19, 9, 18, 18 minus 3, 15, 15 minus 5, 10, 2 into 18, 19, sorry, 18, 18 minus 3, 15, 15 minus 5, 10, into 40 minus 10 is 10, so that is equal to 30 plus 10, 10 cancel 3, so the value is mode is 33. So students, I hope you understood all the three mean, median, mode. In exam generally this question is coming. Find out the mean, median and mode for the following data, right? So you can see individually my previous lectures. For arithmetic mean separate I given the lecture, median I given separate lecture, mode also I given the separate lecture, then mean, median, mode together I given separate lecture. Yeah, with this I conclude here. Of course there is another analysis of this. So even if you know the median and mode, you can find out the mean. If you know the mean and median, you can know the median. So there is a formula. Let's see, but for right now I am not analyzing that. I have given you how to find out mean, median and mode. Hope you understood. All the best. Thank you.